Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to loop a video on a presentation in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open Canva in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're in, click Create a Design in the top right corner of your screen and select Presentation from the options that appear. This will open up a blank presentation canvas where you can start building your project. Now, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Uploads. This is where you'll access all the media files you previously uploaded to Canva, and it's also where you'll add new content. Click Upload Files and select a short video from your computer. For example, you might choose a 5-second sunset clip or any other video you want to loop in your presentation. The key here is to pick a video that works well when repeated, as looping is perfect for creating continuous background motion or drawing attention to a specific element. After selecting your video, you'll need to wait a moment for the upload to finish. Canva will process your file and make it available in your Uploads panel. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your video thumbnail appear in the Uploads section. Now, simply drag your uploaded video from the Uploads panel onto your canvas. Position it wherever you'd like it to appear in your presentation, whether that's as a full background or a smaller element within your slide. Next, click on the video on your canvas to select it. You'll notice a blue border appears around the video, indicating it's now active and ready to be edited. This selection is important because it allows you to access all the video-specific settings that Canva offers. From the toolbar at the top of the screen, click Edit. This will open up additional options specifically for your video element. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the option labeled Play on Repeat and click it to toggle it on. When this feature is enabled, the button will highlight, showing you that the loop function is now active. This setting ensures that your video will continuously restart from the beginning once it reaches the end, creating a seamless loop throughout your presentation. To make sure everything is working correctly, click the play button at the top of your screen or simply press the spacebar on your keyboard to preview your presentation. Your video should now loop continuously without any interruptions. This is perfect for creating dynamic backgrounds, showcasing product demonstrations, or adding visual interest to your slides without needing to manually restart the video. And that's it! You've successfully set up a looping video in your Canva presentation, making your slides more engaging and professional. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.